Fusion Ionz far-infrared wearables are the only clinically studied products of its kind in the world. Our products have gone through a 3-phase, double-blind, placebo-based human clinical trial. The methods were board certified and results are eligible to be published. Overall, the technology was tested for the improvement to human performance, daily energy, pain relief, and validation of non-thermal far-infrared output. The first phase tested overall human performance. This test specifically tested muscle strength, overall balance, muscle flexibility, muscle endurance, and daily energy. Participants saw an average of 14.42% in increased overall performance. Participants saw an increase of 20.72% over placebo. 100% of the participants saw increased performance, with some seeing improvements as high as 27.7%. 100% of the participants also reported an increase in daily energy. The second phase of the trial tested pain relief efficacy. Participants reported a reduction in pain of 8.82% after just 15 minutes. Participants then reported a decrease in pain of 20.46% after just 24 hours. Furthermore, a 29.6% decrease in pain was reported after 1 full week. Participants also reported better moods, better workouts, and decreased overall pain. This trial proved that the longer a participant used the technology, the better the results became. Finally, Fusion Ionz technology went through a full far-infrared analysis. This analysis was conducted by the Wuhan Product Quality Test Institute. They are the leading test center for far-infrared testing. Far-infrared output is measured on a scale of 0 to 1. Fusion Ionz technology tested at a rate of 0.87, which proves it's a very powerful source of far-infrared. Overall, this clinical trial has proven the ability of Fusion Ionz products to help you live your best. You can view the complete study on fusionionz.com. Thank you for your time.
Hi! Fusion Ionz has been a world leader in circulation boosting medical devices since 2011. Now, we need your help. We are in the process of creating new cutting-edge products, and we need your open and honest opinion. You get free product, and we get your feedback. It's as simple as that. Interested? If so, go to free.fusionionz.com and register to be a product tester. Spots are very limited. Thank you for your time, and thank you for being a Fusion Ionz customer.